ayikho lento yadlala Thokozini umsindo obuka ukhali akukhali sound kuthulekile abantu bomiwe ngisho ku VIP awunatshwala kuyayifanela nje lento ayikho into alofana lo akayiyeke lento le ayikho nje lento lapha ayikho lento bafethu indaba yaThokozini mfethu utshwala abukho isound ayikhali ya tripper hayi
Mtala.
Correct.
Come for guys.
Nandi baf.
Yeah, so far so good. How was your day?
Yeah. Hayi umnandi mfethu.
Sikuphi la?
Sikudlala dance festival empathy at North Beach.
How was it?
It was top too. Yeah, but obviously nama ups and downs akhona ama event shortage yotshwala sahlushwa i-generator but sigcine silungisile kwaba right yonke.
In a scale of 1 to 10, how much will you rate the service ebikhona la endaweni yonke?
From what I've seen, nento ngi-experience ngikhona nami ngikhona la. I would say 8. Yeah.
So far so good. How is the album pushing?
Currently South Africa still number 1 album and then ingoma isohlala sisonke number 3. But iXL abantu isabangena kancane kancane.
What can you say to your fans right there at home?
Just buy the album, man. Yeah. Buy the album.
As you've dropped the album, ayiphi ingoma onayithanda kakhulu album yakho?
Ngithanda ingoma engiyithanda zonke.
But iyiphi le othi number 1?
Ngiyithanda zonke bethu. Yabo nje to be honest ngiyithanda zonke. But obviously ngiphusha isohlala sisonke. But nje zonke isenhlizweni yami ngifuna uqaba manga. Word of the day ungashintshi ubuwena bethu. Even if kuthiwa uyazama ukuthi adapt lezi zinto ezintsha ama trends afikayo but ungashift kakhulu kulane yakho hlala kulane yakho ubhayithe udeep lapha nalapha but ungashift kulane yakho.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Dlala Thukzin. Bafethu nginibingelele, welcome back to Chef Soul TV News. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like the video bafethu. There's nothing much engizoyikhuluma but then ke engizokuthinta nje isikakhulukazi ama complaints akade enziwa abantu regarding i-event ka Dlala Thukzin uthenjwe kakhulu abantu in terms of ukushaya ingoma and futhi uyayishaya ingoma uyayinamathisela yabo, but then in terms of i-service ngale event yakhe his recent event I think abantu babe nokuxwaya ngenxa ke mhlambe yaloko kushoda kwezinto lapha yanalapha, but then ke naye futhi uzi-admitela ukuthi okay fine ke kube khona ukuphazamiseka kwezinto nani, but then ke out of 10 yena ke uthi ke i-event yakhe uyirate 8 out of 10 yabo. So mina sengifisa ukuzwa kuwena bafethu because ngibabonile abantu abaningi abanye bebeze beshoot lapha yana be complain kuyona ke ama video yabo, so I will post one of the videos la khona ke omunye wabafethu kade complain ukuthi event iyabheda nani, so I'll just hear from you ukuthi ke wena ilo event uyizwe mhlambe ke experience yakho injani and then ke yipi mhlambe ke into angalungisa kuyona ke if ever kukhona mhlambe i-event elandelayo azoplana ukuyenza yabo. Anyways bafethu, congratulations to yena uDlala Thukzin ngokwazi ukuthi ke agcine ke eyibambele i-event ngendlela enze ngayo, and then futhi bafethu ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ningakhohlwa ukucomment mayelana nayo ke i-event iDlala Thukzin. So anyways bafethu, don't forget to like this video. Danko.